YouTube? It's your boy TURBOGOTBANDZ, and I'm back with another video, man. I'm back with another vlog. And what's crazy is, bro, like, I just started this video, right? Mind you, I'm in the Chrysler 300 Scatpacks swap, right? Bro, look what's literally right behind me, bro. That's a Chrysler 300 C. Now, C is a already manufacturer OEM Scat Pack. Like, look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Yeah. That's crazy though. But my shit built. He bought that bitch. He paid 50K, I paid. So that's a big difference. That's why I say, bro, a lot of people, y'all could build y'all own car instead of going to these dealers, bro, cause y'all boy getting whacked. Right now, I'm currently pulling up on Jakeith and Devin. I don't know what we finna do, cause you know, it's a little misty still, bro, and it's Saturday, bro, so I'm not sure if people wanna get out, you know what I'm saying, cause it's so gloomy, like, bro, it's misty as hell, foggy and shit like that, but when it's like this, I ain't gonna lie, I love it like this, though, cause bro, when I tell you, oh my goodness, bro, the weather be A1, like, bro, the quality on my camera and shit be A1, like, and I love this shit. But currently, what I gotta do is I gotta find this man address, cause I'm in the neighborhood, but I don't know where exactly I'm going. My first time going to Devin house, and I'm finna see what type of car Devin got, cause I know he had a wide body Scat Pack and a purple one, but Keith said he ain't got neither one of these motherfuckers, so I gotta see what he got. He got one, but I know they hear me in the neighborhood. Cause he just texted me, am I pulling up? But the whole time I'm here. But yeah, man, we finna see what type of car that man Devin got. I gotta get some brakes. And y'all, bro, my windshield wipers finally work. Okay. That's how you pull up. You don't pull up regular, man. You pull up how that bitch sounding. Oh, that boy Devin got a Chally. No cap. Boy got a Chally. Thought he had a wide body Charger. He got a Chally. That boy Jakeith in front of me though. You know Jakeith right there, man. Come on, man. Huh? Bro, it's so crazy, bro. I just seen a 300C, bro, the Scat Pack version. Like the one that come from the dealer. I just dead ass seen that shit. It was right here behind me. I said, that's crazy. How far we gotta go though? Oh, he got his shit geeked up now?
I don't know. When he caught that bit, that cold started.
Let me see how we coming. He went to Gravity too. We're the same place they went. So y'all go to Gravity to get these loud ass cars. That's what I'm hearing. Yeah, his shit hard. He got green rims. He ain't bullshit. He ain't got no wheel lock either. But you see the bit 300 right now. Ooh, that 300. That 300 hitting. That 300 is hitting. Mama. Look at that baby. Ooh. Y'all know y'all fuck with my 300, man. Like, you can't tell me you don't fuck with it. Like, bro. 300 is amazing, bro. If any nigga say my 300 ain't hard, bro, they just did ride, bro. You can't say that bit not hard, bro. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, that bit nasty. I'm trying to convince Keith to go 5 spokes, man. You gotta go 5 spokes, bro. How you feel about 5? It's gonna make you look a little aggressive, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Cause you go 5 spokes.
5 spokes, I had to change like my whole shit up.
What you mean?
The whole like,
oh, the cradle? Man, we could find the cradle, bro. Cradle ain't nothing. We could Facebook market that bit like right now, bro. We can get on Facebook market, find one probably like $200, $150. It's just, we gotta put some bitches in, bro. Yeah, I mean, if you get in the cradle, bro, that come with all that shit. So, nigga, that's the only good thing about that. But, hey, man, we're gonna ride out. I don't know where we going, but I'm following y'all. I know that nigga Kari text me, but I don't think that nigga coming. Oh, tires messed up?
you never threw a 5, bro. Yeah.
Have you been sliding or something?
I be sliding too much, man. Look at my tires. I be sliding too much.
car. Look at the tires on the side of her.
You said, look at what?
This is the best looking tires I think I had at my crib at one time. The rest of them.
This nigga there. This bit hard. He got a cat hood. No cap. This nigga Devin shitting.
Why these tires up here so skinny?
What?
That bit damn near
Good tire, bro.
Fuck no.
Old tire.
Why do you keep your tires? Why you don't throw these bitches away?
Shit, he don't want to pay that fee.
Fuck no, nigga put them back in the car. Why his rims look smaller in the front than in the back? They 20s though. Why these 275 look so small?
That's why.
The nigga I got these wheels from just gave it to me like that.
275, 30. That's why.
It's supposed to be 40.
That shit looks so small.
It looks small
bro.
as fuck, man. Yeah.
That's why I was like, bro, what?
But
I got 40s on my bitch. My shit. Ooh.
see, nigga, I want your 5 spokes, bro. See, I had the regular scat wheels,
That nigga
then I got the Hellcat. These are the only Hellcat wheels, though. These not But goddamn, them the bitches I really want. Them bitches hard as fuck.
Tell you, my car's sitting, nigga. Oh God, that bitch sitting, bro.
No
I'm
cap.
thinking about hitting windshield now. My wife is working, so what you think, E? I might want to hit the windshield. No cap. I just can't wait for it to start raining though, so I can actually stick, bro. Cause my shit gets sideways too easy.
What you got on there right now? In the back?
My shit 275 all around.
Let me slide that motherfucker, man.
No.
Oh hell nah, he's skipping. He finna slide my shit.
Slide for real, bro.
Hell nah. What I just asked you, bro? Where the warehouse is at, bro?
We don't need no warehouses.
Where you be sliding at?
Mexico.
We fucking got him.
No, cuz
Down the way.
shit. Hey, I gotta bring my shit in. I'm trying to slide that bitch, bro. No cap. But we can swap cars one day.
For real?
No cap, bro.
Oh God,
We just gotta find a good day. But right now, I gotta break my shit in first. I gotta slide that bitch first. He's spanking that motherfucker. Damn. See, I'm a smart nigga. I turn my car around. I ain't have my shit yet, you know. I turned my shit around already. But yeah, man. This what's going on right now, though. They're kicking shit, cool.
Stuff happens. That's why AAA membership
He's
offers
faking that
lockout
motherfucker.
assistance, flat tire assistance, and RIP
Gone.
by battery assistance. 56 million drivers roadside assistance. AAA.com/more. Roadside
Talk about
assistance is
car
offered by
ad.
independent facilities contracted by
Explain that
AAA.
bit.
Coverage in taxis, limousines, and other ride-sharing conveyances is excluded. Offers, terms, conditions, and policies are subject to change without notice.
Damn, my radio on and shit. Like, it gotta go off. But I gotta change my brakes too. Yo, damn, I'm right here with you. Yes, sir. But yeah, man. Oh, he finna get in action. Spanking that motherfucker. Woo! But Devin ass sliding. I'm telling you, bro, this weather is crazy, bro. Your ass will slide easy. Boy, I'm talking about what? This pavement is so damn wet right now. You gotta be smooth with this motherfucker. He on his ass. He on his ass. Oh, down shit. Nigga, Devin shit spanking. Let me find out. Nigga, my windshield wiper wasn't working.
You stole it from
On
gas
God, I stole it from a gas station. That bit was in that.
Window, bro.
Huh?
Guess it was window. By the spot.
Several?
No.
Nigga, what? The green stove. Nigga, I'm in this bit, bro. I'm driving when it get too wet. I'm in this bit driving. Let down.
Hold on. He took it to Mexico.
No cap.
He took it to Mexico.
I dropped the window. I said, man, I gotta clean this bitch. I can't see. On God.
I'm taking this shit with.
On God, bro. My windshield wiper is not working.
Wait, it worked? You got it to work now?
Yeah.
What was it, a fuse?
Shit, I don't know. That shit barely don't work. The nigga got at one speed. One speed and one speed only. One
going high? Shit, it's better than not high.
Better than nothing. I said,
oh, God.
But look, I had a bit in the car. I'm like, look, my headlights ain't working, so
they don't care.
She said, I don't
see that
care.
behind you? That's all she care about.
Bro, I'm in that, bro. I'm telling you. She talking about some, y'all don't know how to drive. This nigga spent out on the highway, bro. On God.
I seen it. I see it. He showed me.
On God. So I'm like, she like, look, y'all don't even know how to drive. I said, hold on, nigga, we got off. I spent that bitch. She said, what are you doing? She grabbed my arm like, bro, don't ever grab your arm when I'm working
I
this
tweak
bit,
out on God. I ain't
don't ever grab my arm when I'm working this bit. Like,
I tweak out on that.
Don't do that shit, bro.
Because one time I was in the car, it was me, Mo, it was some other person and shit, and we driving. Bro, I'm about to take a cut at like 140, and you're like, going to jail. Like, not 140 trip, but like 120 or some shit.
Yeah.
Bro, this nigga like, he see a semi truck, and I see this shit too, bro, but you know in your head, like, you thinking 2 steps ahead already, so you not even worrying about, like, you know you finna get over it. That nigga like, bro, chill.
Side eye.
Nigga, I'm talking about I lost my shit, bro.
Like, bro, don't ever in your life grab me,
if y'all
bro.
ever in a Mopar scene, or you a female in the Mopar scene, bro, you passenger seat princess, bro, stay on your fucking side.
Touching the radio and shit, like,
heat and shit,
bro,
you start touching the volume, changing my music, like.
She gonna be in the car, like, bro, I turned the heat on, motherfuckers gonna say something, you need to turn this down. Like, man, I'm fucking cold, bitch. You tripping. I'm riding in this big out of goddamn defrosting on all night, cause bro, the rain fucking it on the inside. I had to vent this bitch so this bitch could be straight. I'm like, bro, I ain't driving like this no more.
Hell no.
I'm in the country. What Devin shit, dumb loud.
Y'all, I'm telling y'all this, and y'all, he gonna replay this. He gonna replay this. When I get some tires on this, cause I'm on wires right now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be on turbo ass.
Ho, brother, whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chips.
And I'm gonna be on Jakeef line. What? Just what?
It was even.
Just what? I let them lead me, y'all. I literally let them lead me. I got 315s on there, and it's on wires. If y'all know, if any of y'all, you know what I'm saying, got any Mopars, you know what I'm saying, then y'all can talk. But if y'all don't, then shut the fuck up.
That nigga keep bent that bit though.
Oh, God.
Definitely did. I didn't think that bitch was gonna do a circle. I said, oh shit. And then you walked it out of there. I said, oh shit.
It's just the last little bit when you was finishing. I had to get out the goddamn car. I had stopped, cause you had did a full circle, but I was like, damn.
I'm on wires.
Yeah, wishing that
that I had a chance to bring about at night. I got feelings, I can't let them go